To create my opportunity, I've navigated to the account that I want to create the opportunity for. I'm in at the snapshot view at Open Opportunities. What I want to do is create a new open opportunity, and I'm going to do that by using the wizard, which is accessed through this button that says Wizard. I click it. Siebel then launches the Opportunity Creation Wizard. It'll walk me through the steps that I need to follow to create my opportunity. So, working from top to bottom, opportunity name. And here I'm going to overwrite the system-generated placeholder with the name of my company, WellSpan, the name of the product that they're purchasing, which is the CK, Clinical Key, Anesthesiology package. I'm going to indicate that this is a new sale and that it's for 2016. This is mainly for my benefit, so that when I need to retrieve this opportunity and work with it some more, it'll be easy for me to find. Now, the next step is to pick the product type. Click on the down arrow for the menu. And I know in this case that CK Anesthesiology is part of CK Physician, so I select that. And then I'm going to click out of this form. Now when I say click out, I just simply mean move over to like a blank space and just click my mouse. When I do that, then that refreshes and Siebel goes ahead and populates this primary product type for me. I don't have to do that myself. Next is, when do you plan to close the opportunity? That is closing today. And now I have to pick a contact. This would be the person who will receive the invoice. They'll be the person in my bill to, ship to information for my agreement. So I click this icon here. It loads. And now I need to locate my contact. On the left of the screen here, I've got a list of all available contacts for this customer. And on the right, I've got those that are being used for this opportunity. Right now, it's blank. So I'm going to search up this person by their last name. Click the arrow. And they've located him. To add him as my contact, this line selected. And if you had multiple lines, you'd have to select the right line. And then I just simply click this arrow pointing towards the selected column. Now he's been added. I click OK, and we're done there. I then go to Next, and it wants to know what the start date is. I tend to work from the end date back to the start date. So I'm going to select 2017 and 2017. Those are the dates this contract will run. I click Next. Now it says you have successfully created an opportunity. Would you like to add revenue lines? Depending upon where you are in your negotiations working with the customer, you might not have an idea of the potential revenue for your opportunity yet, but I do. So I'm going to go ahead and say yes, and then click Next. And it's populated a couple of fields for me. Now I have to pick the product line that I intend to sell. This is Clinical Key Collections. Click OK. Revenue type will be new. And the potential revenue, I'm just going to overwrite this. It's 10183.00. Click Next. It's asking me if I want to add another revenue line. I don't, because this is the only product they're purchasing. But if we were working on, a potential for 3 or 4 more products, I could go ahead and add them now. So then I go to the far right, I click Finish. CRM is writing this information to the database. And then I can locate my opportunity here. Here it is. Click it, go into the opportunity, And then what I want to do is I want to update my sales stage. We've already progressed way past identifying the opportunity. We've worked out solutions, everything. We're at the point where it's agree. That is, they've agreed to go ahead and make this purchase. From here, then, the opportunity can be used to create my agreement.